If you want to take a screenshot on the Motorola Edge 70 without buttons, then we have multiple different ways that allow you to do so. For example, if you open any app and you want to capture a screenshot, then you can go to the list of background apps, and over here we have this screenshot button, so you can tap over here in order to capture the preview just like that. Besides that, we have a 3-finger gesture, so you can press and hold 3 fingers on this screen to capture a full screenshot. But in order to make it work, you can of course make sure that the gesture is enabled, so we can open settings, then you go to gestures, then over here we have the 3-finger screenshot, and of course we can make sure that it is enabled. We also have some app exceptions apparently, but this is not really that relevant, and it is really easy to capture a screenshot like that. Now, besides that, we also have a quick launch option, which is a backtap gesture, and usually in this case we can go to settings in order to select take screenshot. So you can perform the backtap gesture in order to capture a screenshot. Let's see if it's gonna work. Sometimes it doesn't actually work. You might definitely need some practice to make it properly work. And now actually it's, oh, there we go, now it worked. And usually you need to tap on the top third side of the bag, and you have to do it quite firmly in order to capture the screenshot. And besides that, there is some other ways. So for example, we can also go to quick settings or the control center, and you will most likely find a screenshot button, and you can tap on it in order to easily capture a screenshot like that. There we go. And if you use the sidebar, then you can actually customize the sidebar, and if you go to tools, you should be able to find the screenshot option. So you can actually add it to the list over here, and let's see if I can move it around, if we can reposition it. There we go. So of course, in that case, you can also use the sidebar to capture a screenshot. So as you can see, lots of different ways of capturing a screenshot on Edge 70. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.